honestly, it's a really surreal experience to get into the university of your dreams, something that you've been preparing for like 18 months or 2 years, finally seeing it come true. And especially seeing so many children from Sri Ram getting in, someone you've been preparing with for 2 years, seeing all your dreams come true together. It's a really good feeling. And obviously, I can't wait to go to the university of my dreams, something that I've been manifesting from the beginning of my preparation, finally seeing it come true. And I just can't wait to be there and see the prestigious university. So my journey with Sriram has obviously been a really beautiful journey from the beginning, from the first day when I came to the classes to like check out the classes and everything they had to offer. Hema ma'am has always been by my side, and from the very first day, she reassured me that all my efforts and all the hard work that I put in would pay off really well. She was a huge support for me, and as well as all the staff over here, the all the friends that I made, every single class, I used to look forward to coming to all of the classes, even though it was on a Sunday. It was still a really good experience for me because we all used to sit in a really wholesome classroom setting. So even like on the days where nobody was too like maybe like eager to do something or write a test, all my friends around me still made it feel like possible. And I had a really good time with them. And it's not just something that we have for these 2 years. It's just something that I've built for a lifetime, all the friendships that I've built in Sri Ram. And I'll cherish these people for the rest of my life because I feel like I've shared such a big milestone with them. And the journey, it's not an easy one, but it really feels easier when you have such good people around you. Mix and Shriram, it's obviously been a journey. So like it doesn't always like start off the strongest. So it's a very rigorous course where you have classes in every single subject. And it covers every single aspect thoroughly, exactly what's needed for the exam from the like previous year's questions and the expected questions point of view. So my favorite thing throughout the whole Shriram journey has probably been the mock exams because they have been probably the most realistic mock exams that we've given in the sense of the difficulty level and the question paper pattern. Now, it doesn't always start off with scoring 90 marks or 100 marks out of 120 in every single mock. The first mock exams that I gave, like seriously, it was around 6 or 7 months before my real CLAT exam, and I ended up scoring 55 out of 120. But the thing about Sriram is that you'll never feel demotivated just because you didn't perform well, because they give you a chance to improve again and again. 55 didn't end my preparation, it just started it. Because of all the guidance that I received and the like countless mocks that I gave, I was able to improve slowly to 60s, 70s, 80s. And finally, I was able to score really good marks in my real CLAT exam, all because of the mock exams. Apart from that, the faculty is really clear with what they're teaching. And the marathons that you do in class, especially the previous year's questions and the expected questions and the current affairs marathons towards the end, I felt like exactly what I'd done in the class is what appeared in my exam, and that is what helps you maintain like a flow state while writing the exam, because it feels familiar when you write the exam, and that is because of like the practice and consistency that Sriram gave me. Perspective of CLAT, Hema ma'am is probably the most supportive and realistic person that I've ever met. Hema ma'am has never told me to solve 150 marks before my exams. She always just told us to do like a realistic amount of dedicated preparation, because in the end, it is always the quality of your preparation that is going to matter over the quantity. And hey, no one at Sriram will ever make you feel like you're not good enough just because of your class rankings. Because what's going to happen in the exam is not in the mocks is not necessarily what's going to happen in the exam. So Hema ma'am has always been a guiding light for us. And from the very first day, she told me that it was very much possible, and I had a very realistic chance of making it to the college that I wanted. And she's always told us what to do at every step, what to expect at every step, and not to get ahead of ourselves. Even just a month before CLAT, the topics and the tips that she gave us, it genuinely really helped, because she told us to visualize basically. Yeah, so 15 days before the exam, every night before I went to bed, I visualized what the exam was gonna look like, how it was gonna feel familiar, and how it was gonna be like all the mocks that I've written. And Hema mom told me to do this, and told the entire class to do this, and I followed through with it, and that is something that really helped me do it. And obviously, her stories, and she always made even the most serious classes. She always added a bit of humor and made it feel really interactive and wholesome.